In this how-to video, I'll show you how to set up the front bed in the front lounge of Bailey's new Autograph range. The first thing to do is just remove this occasional table. So to do this, on the bottom there's a black handle. Just undo it anti-clockwise. Now don't remove it completely, 2 or 3 turns is enough. And then you simply lift it free and remove it. So with the table removed, we need to get rid of the scatter cushions, which I'll hand to my assistant. And we also get rid of the backrest cushion as well. So that includes the flat back cushion and both of the back cushions with the curved pieces. So with the backrest cushions removed, we need to just move these 3 cushions temporarily. So I'm going to put them over on this side. So with the cushions removed, we need this wooden piece here. To remove it, turn the clips around, lean it forward, and then simply lift it free. Right, the next step, where this piece fits, we need to lift out the bottom section on the opposite side. Now I must state here that I would normally do it from that side, which is a lot easier, not from this side, but for purposes of filming, this is the side I'm doing it. So pull this out, and at the bottom there are 2 metal legs. It's important to note, don't just push them down, you must push a button in, then each leg will go down into place. You can feel them locate, both legs have. Make sure it's out at full extent. And then, if you look at the back, there are 2 plastic clips and 1 metal clip. The metal clip slots in here. And then the plastic clips go behind there. And then you have a firm base for the rest of the cushions. Right, so next we replace the cushions on the driver's side. So replace the travel cushions. Now my personal preference with these, I've actually slept on this bed in the last few days. We have this knee roll. When it's in its normal position, you would have this in the middle of the bed. But what I've done is simply turned it over that way. And then you have a flat surface. And likewise, if you turn this one over as well, you have another flat surface. Now next, you'll need the infill piece, which will either be in your garage, under your bed, or wherever you choose to keep it. Right, so this is the infill piece, hinged in the middle and it's shaped. You must make sure you get the shape in the correct place, but all will become clear in a minute. And there's a leg, like the legs on the bottom of this piece we pulled out. There's a button to the side, press the button, hinge the leg up and it clicks into place. Fold it out. Now the importance of doing this from the other side will become clear when you see me trying to fit it from this side, but at least you'll be able to see clearly what to do. So the shaped curved piece fits around the travel seat. So push that down, the leg goes against the floor, and there you have your double bed.